I think you already know where we're at. We're at Mitch and Gabby's. And this is a big day because they're about to finally get a full-size fridge. Let's go. So, yeah, also a sneak peek at my race jersey. This is what I'll be wearing for the race in 2 weeks. This is a big day. You guys are finally getting a full-size fridge. Let's go. This is huge.
I know. And then Gabby's like, we gotta do this.
Gabby, you're finally getting a full-size fridge.
I know, I'm so excited.
Go.
We're gonna get a new fridge today, ladies and gents. It's gonna be a good day. We got a bunch of things planned. We're gonna move some stuff out of the garage, get a new fridge. Really just try to clean up and organize now that we have a nice little free weekend we can do stuff on. Don't worry about the dolly, it's fine. It's on wheels, it's gonna bounce around, that's okay. What's going on over here? I don't know. Old chairs, some boxes, some bricks.
That stuff's been there forever.
Huh.
The bricks in the chair are like something about boxes.
Is that your neck?
That felt so good.
That's crazy. Did you guys hear that? That was his neck. That's crazy.
Green!
Oh my gosh.
You grew up here?
When she lived here.
We lived here in Amherst until 6th grade, and then we moved to Clarence.
Oh. Huh.
We lived on Margaret, and then we literally moved right behind us. So we took the fence out, moved behind us, and put the fence back in. So we were on Margaret, then we moved to Delta, but we literally just moved right around the block, like right across.
Yeah, no, Gab, I'm aware. When you said, it's right here.
Oh, thank you.
Johnny said, where's my phone? I said, you was in the corner of your bed on your side. I'm like, no. Sure. Like, Gabby was switching phone plans.
Yeah.
Because her phone plan doesn't get good coverage. Like, she can't go to Canada, can't go anywhere outside the country.
Oh. Oh, dude, I love Alan. Oh, wow. Simone, here you go. We got Italian buttercream frosting, the white almond raspberry cake with raspberry mousse and raspberry jam. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, I'm so excited. Is that Simone's salsa? Mm-hmm. I told Simone we're gonna do a vlog just for her because of all the crazy cooking she did while I was there. This has turned into a process. We're taking off all the doors and yeah, everything. So I'm gonna set you guys.
You gotta be done and you gotta be tough.
It doesn't there, it doesn't there, I remember that. This may not be as easy as I'm thinking. Oh, okay.
I don't know if that's gonna do anything. It's still connected in the back here. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
This fridge is going in this house if it's the death of us.
Well, it will be.
Look at Gabby, man. So inspirational. It better fit, that's all I gotta say.
It will fit. Mine is on one side. Oh, okay. And these slide into here.
Just like that.
Yep. Just.
Okay.
Beautiful. Now the doors.
Let me get this back on.
Boop. And shut. Now we're golden.
Okay, so then I'm gonna get you plugged back in. You ever need a professional fridge moving service? We do it all.
Please don't call me.
I take the doors off and everything.
If you wanna.
I think we didn't get a bigger one because the bigger one wouldn't even have fit.
Do you like a new fridge?
It looks good.
Taylor, we know you had a busy morning at work and it wasn't as enjoyable because we weren't there, so I sent you some motivation. So I know you're gonna watch this. I hope you like your motivation, and we'll be there next time to make your shift go by quicker. That's beautiful.
Thanks, buddy.
Great form, Gab.
Just don't know where we're gonna go. Probably straight.
What is this for? Okay.
And then just walk in at like an angle, and I think it'll go straight into the room. So we go all the way to the back, get the whole piece in, and then we can use it. If he does, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna shoot that groundhog in the face. I'm wondering if you can literally just sneak. Oh, okay. Oh, you should have said that before you went all the way over there. She was almost right.
Off, but it's alright.
Pretty close.
Oh. You need a fidget toy.
Eventful as always. We'll be back really soon. Bye. Party's here, baby!
Hi, honey.
Hello. First off, bro, what is all this?
Just a few things.
What is going on over here? Update the vlog on what is going on tonight.
What kind of Bible?
Oh, overall? What?
Okay.
Like overall?
Yeah.
Mega pizza.
There's a pizza oven out there, and that dough is gonna be made into pizza. How's married life? Good. It's great. It's good. It's great. Hey, hey, hey. Oh. It's nobody I know. It's
my roommate.
Okay, all right. All right, so she's not telling you guys what's going on, but she's sprinkling something on the counter, and I'm assuming the dough is gonna go there. Okay.
You're making a mess.
And the dough is over here, and it is now coming over.
Sick. Where's the dough from?
She homemade it, bro, from scratch.
Really? That's awesome.
From scratch.
I didn't know.
Steve, it was a box mix, wasn't it? Don't lie. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
We're stretching out.
That's a good like time lapse.
Okay,
right
we're
there.
stretching
Just
it
making
out.
sure.
That is sick.
The dough
I
is
did know
getting
that.
stretched. We're watching the form, the technique.
Okay, that's good.
That's crazy. Do the flip. Do the thing where you throw it in the air.
You want agua?
Soda lemonade.
I would suggest.
Where it's
And
at.
then I need raspberry.
You want me to- Actual cups or these cups?
Raspberry. Oh my
Yeah, can we have
goodness,
raspberry
bro.
juice?
Bro. Hey, do I remember where the cups are? Is this correct? Nope, it's not. No, totally forgot. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's just a test.
No. There's no test in here. There's no test. First pizza, just a test pizza.
Well,
Going in the
now
oven.
it's gonna be really hot.
No, it's perfect. You're gonna get a nice
No, it's
crisp.
fine.
Look at that form.
My dad. You. Alright. You crackhead Italian.
Why?
45 seconds to cook a pizza.
Yeah, but
Wait.
the first one's always just a test.
Stop. Like,
Oh my
what?
It better be fast. We got like 18 of them.
Yeah.
Relax.
That's true.
Hello,
Thoughts? Take a bite.
It's super
Oh,
hot.
that's perfect. No, that's perfect. It's perfect.
No. Perfect to melt my throat with. It's like lava. Shut it down.
Yo. Oh my. Yo.
It's in a 1,000-degree
Thoughts?
oven, so.
First bite.
It's gonna cook that fast. It's gonna.
Why is this bad in any
I
way?
know. Pizza number 2, because the first one wasn't really good. So, what's the thought running through the mind here as you form the crust?
I hope this one doesn't burn.
Relax. Just look at that.
The first time, I gotta tell you this story, guys.
Oh my goodness.
The first time, no, then it burns.
You don't cook.
The first time, hello.
Why, oh yeah, I'm listening. I've been listening the whole time. I'm listening.
you are?
Yes.
The first time she invited out the whole crew for dinner because she wanted to impress Steven, right?
No.
And you said that thing to me right away when I got here.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
mom.
I get in the
first
house.
time
No,
she meets
no,
Steven.
no,
that
the
was
first
the first time.
time.
That was the first time I was over here.
When I said, oh, I heard so much about you, but
No,
Yeah,
no,
the first
no.
time my mom meets
no,
Steven, she goes, "Oh my gosh, I've heard so much about you and your penguins."
No, she goes.
Oh!
No, she goes. I love your penguins, and I was like,
Thanks to expose.
okay.
You're like, I hate the penguins.
But anyway, she wanted to impress him so much, and everything was a disaster. I was so. First of all,
There's no
we
way.
returned
I didn't
this
have the
because it
pizza
was
dough.
defected. We returned it. We forgot to buy it again.
Yeah.
So we had no.
Oh.
No.
So she sent me
Just
to the
that's
store
just
and get it. I
not
couldn't
pizza.
find it. I went to 10 different stores. She's yelling at me, and we're asking each other.
All to impress Steven.
All to impress Steven. I'm like, what the heck? Tell him to go by the day.
Can I just?
Huh? No.
Big one.
You're gonna eat the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Yo. Wait. Bro.
What if it doesn't come on first now?
Pizza number 2. Pizza number 2.
You can't do this one. This
Yeah,
one's
yeah.
already stuck.
No. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's
It's
fine.
not coming off.
It's fine. It's okay. We're judging you really hard.
You should.
We're putting the pressure on.
No.
Oh
no.
wow. It's stuck. It's not gonna work. What's gonna? Oh.
Oh, it's take it out.
Oh
Hey,
my.
don't
Yo. Throw. Yo.
Can you believe that?
Oh my god.
Can you believe that? Can you believe it? What are we? Oh wow. What's the current temperature? Roughly. I know you can't get exact.
850 degrees. I do have a thermometer though if you want it. Oh, get the thermometer. It's fun.
Oh, okay. Let's see. What do we got?
That's 7. Let's go further.
Oh my.
Oh, it's too high.
Oh my
Too
goodness,
high.
bro.
It's too hot.
That's
Just like
crazy.
you.
Oh!
Take a knife and scrape it up.
You know, I put weight.
That's Italiano,
Oh,
huh?
we need more people here.
Do we?
It's an Italian house.
Look at Angela. I was looking.
See what I say about it being hot in here. Every dang Italian household, because they cook all day, they don't have air.
1 to 10, rate this one.
Yeah, they are.
2.5.
2.5. Okay, yeah, that's fair.
But I'm still gonna eat it.
That's
so.
fair. Yeah, guys,
Look alike.
this one's only 2.5 out of 10. Sorry.
2.5.
Yeah. What's going on? Starting a fight? What do we got?
Down there?
Let's do it. Let's see it.
All right, then.
Let's hear the thought process. What is going through the mind as you're creating this masterpiece?
We're gonna put the prosciutto down without
Okay.
against Simone's best wishes.
Okay. Simone, how do you feel about that?
I mean, cooked prosciutto's just ham, but
Okay.
whatever you want to do.
If I
Okay.
get it down,
Okay.
if I get it down into the sauce, the heat isn't gonna cook it too much because the soppressata is gonna take the brunt of the heat.
Okay. I like that.
Prosciutto Marona.
Look at the finger work.
Here.
¿Dónde?
Here.
¿Dónde está tu melone? No, voglio che assaggia.
Colin's first bite thoughts.
You suppose
I like it.
Yeah, dude. So
Oh,
good.
man. I don't trust
Gabby's thoughts, first bite.
Can you watch me do it?
It's good.
Super satisfied.
It's great.
It's
amazing.
1 second.
It's okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. How we doing, Steve? Hey, come on.
Mitch!
She's a little lopsided, but she's in.
Oh my
Simone,
goodness.
fix it.
I
Fix it.
can't.
Fix it.
I can't. No, it's done.
Listen,
Simone, you didn't put
listen.
any semolina flour on there,
It has
huh?
to be
This
flick,
hey,
to flick the rest.
hey.
What is wrong with it? It's a lumpy pizza. It's fine.
Perfect. It's perfect.
Exactly. There's 4 sticks in line.
This
It
one's
tastes
not
good,
on you.
doesn't it?
Exactly.
Oh my gosh,
That's so
bro.
Oh,
Is that the one that you?
that's the one I messed up. That's
Oh
so good.
wow.
It's delicious, isn't it?
Dude, that face says it all.
I love sopressata.
That face says it all.
Oh,
Oh
look
my
at baby
goodness, bro.
Steven.
Yeah, you made a Hawaiian pizza. It's so
Gotta
weird.
be like
I
pineapple.
I'll eat that whole thing.
All right, we're
Make
done.
another
Settle
one.
down.
Nobody touches it but me and Gabby. And Tom. Are these ready?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Keep the
This is like the best piece. So you better be thankful.
Why did you give Gabby the burpees?
What?
Just give her a better piece.
Oh.
Shame on you.
Oh no.
Whoa. Where we going? Where we going?
I'll let you know in the next one.
No.
You cannot.
Nope.
You take 8.
Oh, I can. Stop. Those slices are
Simone.
beautiful.
Just-
What's up?
It's such an excessive.
I gotta go. Don't worry.
It's such an excessive amount of
Yeah?
Okay, am I making this one or are you making?
Oh, I know. I can tell.
I'm sweating, but I thrive in it. It's hot. I told her before I came over. The first thing I said was every friggin' Italian household, because she was wearing a full.
It's like
suit.
85
I was like,
degrees.
that's dumb.
Yeah.
I said they cook
Yeah,
all
hot in
day
here.
and they're all too cheap for air. You need to wear a t-shirt and shorts or you're beat.
And what is she in? A full tracksuit. Swift
A
little.
quick flick of the wrist.
So I just go in and it's. Oh god.
Oh, get it quick!
What do I do?
Grab the pizza,
Okay,
lift it up, and slide
No,
it.
don't touch it.
No! Wait, I'm
What
gonna
did
hold it
you
up.
do?
It's fine.
No, do not touch it. You're gonna.
I
burn
didn't
your-
flick the wrist!
Tranquilo, huh?
Ah, look.
It's like actually done.
I mean, it's okay. Okay, let's think.
First
how we're doing.
pizza, I'd rate
I think mine was better.
failure. Mitchell definitely outdid me.
100%.
100%. Wow, she saved it. Look at that.
You gotta start picking down below. Man, you got a lot of...
I failed. Next one, guys. I'm gonna get it. This every day. You're fine. You're doing great.
You never made pizza before?
No, he literally works at a pizza shop.
No. Hi.
Spin it. Spin it. Spin it.
Ah,
spin
I can't
it.
do it.
Spin it.
Come on, can you do it?
I don't even know how to make pizza, Simone.
Oh!
Wait, you're getting it?
All right, take 2. Here we go. So like when I go to flick the wrist and pull it back, I shouldn't come back here like I did before.
Yeah, put it in more.
All right, so I'm just gonna go like a little.
Yep. Perfect!
Let's go, bro. Bro.
That was perfect.
Dude, good job,
Bro,
I'm so proud
thank
of
you.
you.
Thank you.
He's making calzones.
Pull it out.
And then do like a little spin. Oh, wow.
Pop it back in. There you go.
You're gonna eat this bread?
Yes. Look, bro, look at it rise. What?
How's your piece of bread coming along?
Yo, it's rising.
It's a good practice.
Oh, wow, yeah. Well, that's because
How's it looking?
well, Mitch didn't knead it right, so
Yeah, this is Mitch's fault.
yeah, we blame Mitch for this one. I flip it over.
Yo. Ooh. son-
Yeah. Ooh. Ah. He made bread. Smell the bread. Smell it.
Oh, it's a little bread.
So this
Smell the
goes.
bread.
Oh, mama.
Oh,
Vina.
right there.
Smells like bread.
Okay.
How do you make a natural crust and then I'm
Not bad.
twisting?
Open your mouth.
Mitch, that's weird.
It's not weird.
Don't do it.
It's not bad.
She straight up like switched the pizzas
There
and
was
like
one
gave me her
outside.
good one.
I know, right? It's not there anymore.
This was 100% Mitch.
Oh, why
That's
didn't you cut it with
Because I couldn't find the Caesars.
Caesars.
The
I couldn't
Caesars.
find the Caesars,
The
okay, mama?
Caesars.
Oh my goodness
Oh,
gracious.
no way.
It's okay.
Right, perfectly on the edge.
Yeah, it's good. It's great.
Yeah. It's good. It's great. Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I don't know about that.
Colin? Okay, we have
How do you feel about what you just did?
I'm out.
Hey, come back here.
For what? What is that?
Relax.
What's wrong? Here. Hi. Why did you say you did a great job?
because we don't have tomatoes.
Hey,
The tomato is not the problem.
En this casa italiano.
Vergogna.
They're taking a
We don't have
bath.
tomatoes in this. I know.
Those pineapples are taking a bath.
What the heck? Okay.
If you add a shot of Sprite, it's probably even better.
On the pizza?
They're two idiots. You guys are wrong.
I know, I saw you looking at it. Okay, that was fine.
I think 100% this guy, we find food.
Take the top off.
That one in that corner should be
You
okay.
know what? Somebody,
fine.
sometimes if you hit it.
Bro, what
I was trying
happened?
to open.
What happened?
So there's kind of a conspiracy right now.
Okay.
Somebody turned the stovetop on and
Who
started
did
cooking
it?
Ah,
It's like
That's
when
yeah,
it gets
cheese.
very cold,
Cheese.
it comes out like, see, just like that.
Cheese.
you done it before?
You just whip up whipped cream and I didn't even know?
Yeah, you did that.
Yo.
50, 60?
Yo.
She makes them, I make them cute.
It's yours.
I love it. Hey, come on.
And you're gonna put a little bit of puree on the top of it. And then you're gonna mimic all of those. Okay, ready?
Oh, I got what she's saying.
Oh, she's treating you like a noob.
Con hielo.
As if this is my
Okay.
first cheesecake.
Hielo.
Yo.
No,
Okay,
yeah.
someone take it.
Yellow.
That's
Only on the- only on the
crazy.
green?
Perfecto, mama.
Yeah.
Wow,
No, I
that's
think so.
crazy. Look at, wow. Maybe this is yours?
Thank you.
How the designs though?
I made the jam
But how do you get like the
and then I
squigglies?
swirled it.
You what?
I swirled it
How?
with a toothpick.
Why?
Before this set.
Yes, and then I baked it.
That's crazy. Bro, what's going on over here?
Why do I not? I
Are
do know it too.
Yo.
Alright, so tell me which one.
Yo. Stop
Alright, tell me
it.
which one you like better.
Stop it.
Vamos.
half a
Where's the
second.
nearest trash
Thank.
can? Oh wait, what's that?
Wait, think. Oh.
So soft.
Use the spoon.
Turn
the light off on them outside. Hey, pizza sauce.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
What are you talking about?
Mama, pomodorini secchi?
Secchi,
Is that dried, sun-dried tomatoes?
Get that face. Get that face.
That's crazy. You have them doing dishes
Yo,
over there.
you guys are so cute. Steven!
Yeah.
Yo!
I'm packing
Oh,
the cheese.
oh, what?
Oh!
We need room for euchre.
Enjoy your family.
We
We're
need
here
space
right
for
now.
euchre.
You can put the pizza away, but then you're done.
Hey, how
You're
about
done.
you're done?
You gonna show them your watch? We haven't seen the watch yet.
Oh, I was literally gonna ask about that. Oh, this is it?
Yo!
Oh my.
What is that?
Hold on.
Bro, watch this, watch this.
I know it's a watch.
Hold on.
Look at it. It's glow in the dark.
I don't know what any of my watch is. It just it tells the time. And it's
Isn't that
very expensive.
crazy?
900.
Yo.
See,
Are you serious?
That's crazy. Yo, the weight on this is insane.
I missed it.
$900.
That's
Yeah, you said one of your
crazy.
guys was like,
I don't know what everyone has.
Okay.
That's Trump. Well, he needs to.
Put your card down.
oh, it's Trump.
Hearts led, I trumped in with ace of diamonds. Give me these, thank you.
How's the watching experience?
Crazy.
I'm getting very angry just sitting here watching.
Is it because of the way Mitch was playing his cards?
Ah, fun, cool.
Yeah.
I don't know how they're winning.
In the barn. Hee-haw. Do it. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh, Colin.
This is
Yeah, just
awful.
do it. Just do it.
This is really
I have the
scary.
ace, we got the-
No!
Got a point. 2 points.
Gibby, why do you care so much? What is?
Because I want you to be good at euchre.
Oh!
We're in the dark.
Oh!
It was 9-1. 2 sides.
You called it with one trump. One trump. Simone won the first one,
Oh,
and you won the second one.
whoa.
So you only won one. Because we don't know where the other one is.
See, we got diamond. Hey!
Crazy.
He has it.
You won
So I would
one.
never lead with Trump.
That's
unless
it.
You know that
Good
I'm
game, guys.
biased.
We do it on purpose to keep ourselves humble.
Yeah, yeah. No, I respect it. I respect it.
We're not gonna call ourselves undefeated and lose to everyone.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah,
That's never happened.
yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Roll the tape, roll the tape.
On behalf of all of us here at Disclosed Location in, where are we?
Amherst.
Williamsville. We're very grateful to Simone and Steve for opening up the house
I didn't do anything.
and cooking.
Thank you, Simone.
The pizzas were incredible.
Thank you.
We're sorry about
Oh
that.
my god.
Hey, she's not gonna see this till after, but there's a little surprise coming for her. We replaced it for her, so she has a new one coming. How was your experience?
Don't ask me these questions.
Interview time.
No.
Gabby, wait.
Gabby, you had a
Gabby,
pretty bad game
please.
out there. How are you gonna learn from this?
What are you doing to your wife?
We want to know your thoughts on the night. Gabby.
Gabby, it was not your best performance out there. How
Gabby!
you gonna learn from this performance and move forward?
That's gonna end another video. Thank you guys again for opening up the house. I'm not gonna leave you hanging.
I'm not either. I'll get my phone so I don't forget it.
Thank you for cooking. Thank you for the DIYs. We're gonna get a more personalized food vlog next time because the whole world needs to see this and experience this.
Are
So
they still outside?
we hope you guys enjoyed. Colin, send us home.
Well, your sister said don't.
Peace out, y'all.